Peppa and her family are staying at Granny and Grandpa Pig's house.
George, wake up! Santa's been! Bubble mix, comics and tangerines! Mummy! Daddy! It's Christmas!
Hey, what?
It's too early, Peppa.
Go and say Happy Christmas to Granny and Grandpa.
Granny! Grandpa!
Get Penny! All hands on deck!
It's Christmas!
It's 3:00 in the morning.
But Santa's been. Can we see if he's still here?
No, Santa's not here. Look, the carrot, drink and mince pie have gone.
He's only left crumbs.
Yes, Santa likes a good mince pie.
And there are